Very good. Very good. You want to fill it up as much as possible. That's it. Wait, let's get you on a stool, eh? Yummy, yummy lollies. That's it, that's very good. Yeah, that's right. Wow, very good. Anyway you want, doesn't matter. Yeah, heart to heart. Heart goes into heart, that's right. That's good, that's good, that's good. Oh, clever guy. Yeah. Oh. Maybe when Mummy comes home now we can have some lollies. Perfect. Perfect, Ollie. Yeah, got to push them right down. Make sure they stay. And now, should we put them in the freezer? Okay. Let's put them on the top. Hey, good job. Wow, look at that, Ollie. High five.